to get this shit out. Stop! You okay?
Now I am. Thank you.
Why the fuck did you yell like that?
Cause girl, I'm like that tapping shit. That shit is annoying. You know that?
Let's get my tapping ass up out of here. Bitch.
Yeah, go tap, 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 toe your ass that way. Yeah. Hey, hey, get it, girl, get it, get it. Hey, hey, hey.
Girl, it's fat, ain't it?
Oh my God, it's moving.
Alright, for real, bye. Bitch.
Am I the only bitch that don't like that noise?
I mean, girl, it didn't really bother me, to be honest. So I didn't really care.
What? Girl, fuck you.
Girl, fuck you too.